Hello everyone, again I have come back with the third part of the series fraction, that is on multiplication and division of fraction. Now look here, just assume that these are three same size chocolates. So I made equal four parts. See, that way I have cut it and pasted it. I made four equal parts. Now out of that I am just shading one part of each chocolate here. Everywhere I will put one part. That means you have to assume that it is shaded. One part is shaded. So in the numerator, how much parts are shaded? I will write 1, 1, 1. So I add these three. Now you must be wondering that Miss told multiplication of fraction and I am teaching you addition. But yes, multiplication is repeated addition. So now these are like fractions. So in the denominator 4, numerator we will add it 1 plus 1 plus 1, it becomes 3. So now this is your 3 upon 4. Now look here, instead of one part, if I am shading the three parts I am shading 1, 2 and this is the third part. So out of 4, everywhere I have shaded 3 parts. So 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4, it becomes 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9 upon 4. Now children see, 9 upon 4, that means it became numerator is bigger than denominator. That means it is an improper fraction. So now when improper fraction, we are converting into proper fraction. But this way we are doing the multiplication. Now see, I'll show you the magic. Out of these three, if I want to make whole number fraction, so what I have to do? I have to make numerator and denominator same. So if my denominator is 4, so here I have to make my numerator also 4. So what I will do, from third square, assume that chocolate. So from third chocolate, I will take one part here and stick it here, and this second part I will stick it here. So this my whole fraction, right? That means this 2 is now 4 upon 4 plus 4 upon 4, and now this has become only 1 upon 4. So 4 upon 4 means one whole number, 4 upon 4 means one whole number, and this is only 1/4 fraction. So addition, repeated addition. So 1 plus 1, it became 2. So my multiplication of fraction is 2 integer 1 upon 4, since multiplication is repeated addition. So this way I don't have to divide also. Directly I have shown you by this sticking of paper. Now we will see the actual sums of multiplication. Your first sum is 9 upon 13 multiplied by 52. So simple. As I told you in addition and division of fraction also, since there is no denominator, you have to consider 1 as the denominator. And I told you that time also, okay, you have to reduce it to a lowest term. But here multiplication, what we are doing? Here you can do 52 multiplied by 9, divide by 13 ones are 13 also. But that again you have to reduce it and bring it to lowest term. So that becomes donkey work. So we will, in simple method, we will do the cancellation. So now in 9 table 13 doesn't come, but in 13 table 52 comes. When it comes, 13 ones are 13, 13 fours are 52. Now numerator 9 fours are 36. Denominator 1 ones are 1. Since there is 1 is the denominator, it becomes whole number 36. So your final answer is 36. This way systematically you can solve the sum. Now here this 52 was whole number. So I have considered 1 as the denominator. Suppose your second sum is like this. 150 divided by 210 multiplied by 7 divided by 12. This is your question. Now in this case, what will you do? If numerator and denominator last digit of the number is 0, that you have to cancel it. So now it will become easy to cancellation. So 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, again 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Now there is no further cancellation. So numerator is 5 ones are 5, 12 ones are 12 is the denominator. So this is your final answer, 5 upon 12. Now third, 11 integer 2 upon 3 multiplied by 15 upon 32. Now here mixed number is there. So in that case, you will bring this into improper fraction. So first of all, 11 threes are 33 plus 2, 35 upon 3 multiplied by, this will as it is 15 upon 32. What you can cancel? 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Now there is no further cancellation. So 35 fives are 175, divide by 32 ones are 32. Since it is an improper fraction, divide 175 by 32. You will get divisor as 32, quotient is 5, 32 5s are 160 plus 15, it becomes 175. So your final answer is 5 integer 15 upon 32. This way, simple way, you have to do the cancellation of the multiplication of fraction, and that way you have to bring it to lowest term. Is that clear? You can do the multiplication of numerator, you can do the multiplication of the denominator, then you can bring it to lowest term by reducing it. That is also one of the method, but which I told you, that is the donkey work. So simple way, we will, by doing cancellation, we will solve this multiplication sum this way. Now next, suppose a number is like this, 6 integer 3 upon 4 multiplied by 3 integer 3 upon 4 multiplied by 8 upon 105. So now here you see, first of all, first step, bring it to improper fraction. 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27 upon 4 multiplied by 3 4s are 12 plus 3, 15 upon 4 multiplied by 8 upon 105. Now look here, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15 and 21. 5 is the common table, children. So in 5 table, 5 3s are 15 and 21 5s are 105. So we have cancelled the 5 table, which we are not writing here. Uncommon number we are writing. Now here 27 and 21, it comes in 3 table. 3 7s are 21 and 3 9s are 27. Now there is no further cancellation. So what should be your answer? 9 3s are 27, divide by 2 7s are 14. Since it is an improper fraction, we will convert it to mixed fraction. 14 2s are 28, which is bigger than 27. So we have to take 14 1s are 14. And in that, how many numbers we will add to make it 27? So it would be 1 3 13. So your final answer is 1 integer 13 upon 14. Right? So with this way, you can do the multiplication of fraction. Now I will show you the division of fraction. But children, before division, I have to show you the reciprocal, so that your division will become very easy to solve it. Reciprocal, or it is reciprocal of a fraction, or it is also known as multiplicative inverse. Right? Both the name you should know. Right now, to solve the division sum, this name will help you a lot. How, that I will show you. Now suppose we have number 5 and I am telling you write the reciprocal, means ups and down. Up number you will write down, down number you will write up. So 5 is the whole number. When there is a whole number, no denominator, consider 1 as the denominator. Now reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of this is, that means 1 will come in numerator, denominator 5 will come. So reciprocal of 5 is 1 upon 5. Same way, what is the reciprocal of 29? Consider 1 is the denominator, it would be 1 upon 29. If I tell you what is the reciprocal of 1 upon 75? Simple, it would be 75 upon 1, that means only 75 whole number. So this way you have to write the reciprocal of the given number. Now we will do the division of a fraction. Now suppose your sum is like this. 35 divided by 15 upon 6. This 35. Now you have to write the multiplicative inverse of this number. So for writing multiplicative inverse, this division sign will convert into multiplicative. So multiplication inverse of this is 16 upon 15. And here no denominator. Consider 1 as the denominator. 5 in 5, divisibility of 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 3s are 14. Now there is no cancellation. So 16 7s are 112. Divide by 3. Since it is an improper fraction, convert into mixed fraction. So when you divide 112 by 3, your divisor will be 3. Your quotient will be 37 and it would be 1 is the remainder. So your final answer is 37 integer 1 upon 3. When you divide 112 by 3, divisor is 3, quotient is 37, remainder is 1. Now look at the second example. Suppose the sum is 14 upon 21 divided by 84 upon 120. See, 14 upon 21 multiplicative inverse. Children make mistake. They do the multiplicative inverse, but instead of multiplication sign, they do write division sign only. Where in this step they are losing their mark. So multiplicative inverse, when we say this sign will be multiplication. Inverse means 120 upon 84. 14 ones are 14. 14 6 are 84. 6 ones are 6. 6 2s are 12 and 1 0. Now, is there any further cancellation? No. So, your answer will be 20 ones are 20. Divide by 21 ones are 21. So, this is your final answer. Since it is a proper fraction, no conversion into mixed fraction. So, your final answer is 20 upon 21. Now, the third sum is 7 divided by 2 integer 6 upon 31. So, it would be 7. No denominator 1. 31 2s are 62 plus 6. 68 upon 31. Now, we have converted after that multiplicative inverse. Multiplication 31 upon 68. So now you cannot do the cancellations since there is no common table. So 31 sevens are 217. Divide by 68. Since it is an improper fraction, divide 217 by 68. It would be 68 3s are 204 plus 13. So your answer will be 3 integer 13 upon 68. That is your final answer. Now last sum is 5 integer 7 upon 9. This divide by 7 integer 3 upon 7. Next step, convert into improper. 5 9s are 45 plus 7. 52 upon 9. This divide by 7 7s are 49 plus 3. 52 upon 7. Now multiplicative inverse. 52 upon 9. Multiplicative, so write multiplication sign. 7 will come up, 52 will come down. Simple cancellation, common numbers you can cancel directly, and your numerator will be 7, denominator will be 9. So your final answer is 7 upon 9. Children, you have to always use the scale. Don't rectify the sum. Scale will help you a lot. So this way we have completed the multiplication and division of fraction. Children, when my live lecture will be there, whatever doubts you are having, you just write in the chat box so that I can solve your doubt. And if you like my video, please like it, share it, and still those who have not subscribed, please subscribe it so that my more videos you will get the notification. Thank you.